Hello, my name is Angie Paola Viloria Mestra, speaking activity. Like and dislike. I love dancing champeta. I love eating salchipapa. I really love music. I don't like noise. I hate the hypocrisy. I can't stand the smell of cigarettes. My grandmother, she is fulfilling years. That day cool family was together. We were all singing, dancing, and eating. It was a very special night. Calista was happy dancing with my grandfather. Lady Evelyn, she was prepared for to race to the guests the chariot with all of them of the party. Carlos and Vanessa are dancing. They was eating. We are toasting with wine. Andres and Vanessa are drink beer. Carlos, Paulina, and Sharon were playing. One day at my grandmother's house. In the morning, my grandparents get up 5. My grandmother makes coffee. We all meet in the living room for coffee. Then we do the chicken pie and feed the corn. My grandmother lost the animals on the farm and takes great care of them. The next thing she does is make breakfast. She often makes coffee with milk and cheese. After eating breakfast, we wash dishes. My grandmother usually waters the plants of the house, and we also collect the fruits in the trees, such as mangoes, guayabas, and níspero. Then we sat in the living room on some chairs to talk about the stories of my grandmothers. Later, we made lunch. In the afternoon, my dad went to look for me and I returned home. Finally, I arrived very sleepy and went to sleep. I remember that my grandmother told me that we must love fellow men and that should not hurt or felt I would be anyone. Thank you.